This is a room tour of one of the most common and cheapest rooms that you're going to find on the ship that you're looking at right here, which is the Carnival Venezia. Now, just to give you a little bit of perspective as to what I paid $865 for an 11-night, 12-day cruise. That averages out to be about $78 per night. The experience that you're going to hear of me in the room is pretty much my first impression. My wife went in and she turned on all the lights. So let's go and take a tour of the room so you can see what you're going to get.
This is the evacuation stuff. Then you have these really nice lavish hooks right here. All right, let's go ahead and turn around and see what else is in the cabin. All right, so we have a double bed right here. It's really nice. This is where you put your luggage down. They have fun times over there, which is kind of like your written itinerary. Got a small television right here. It looks like maybe a 50-inch television. Okay. These drinks right here, they cost about $5 each. So it's not complimentary. One of the things I love about the room is the fact that it has these plugs right here. Notice it has two USB ports right there. And then it has some standard plugs right here. Then it has your European voltage plug right here, followed by a telephone. Pretty nice desktop here. It is not granite, but it looks like some type of granite or stone. But it looks really, really nice. Of course, it can't be a stone because it'll make the ship really heavy. Just open up this drawer here. Look at that. Got a nice hair dryer. This right here is the trash can right beneath it. Then we're going to come over here and we're looking at a fridge. Open up the fridge. That's what it is. There's nothing in it. But it does carry a little bit of space, very tiny amount of space. Set that back up, and there's a hidden stool under there to round it out. Really nice drapes. They look like they're very lush, very nice and thick. Very nice. All right, now it has a sofa, and on top of the sofa are two Carnival towels. All right, and there's a window that overlooks the harbor that we're in right now. Alright, then it has a nice table. Again, it looks like some type of stone, granite or some other type of stone, but maybe Korean, but it's not. It's just a veneer. It looks very nice. These are the beds. It has a nice Venetian theme in the rear end. Decor for the bed. Everything goes very nicely in here. It looks very plush. If you look at the carpet, carpet looks really nice. Before we head into the bathroom, we pass these closets here. We're going to open them up and take a look. It comes with 5 hangers on one side and then a whole bunch more on the other. Okay, this is probably going to be more for your luggage, or luggage can stay underneath the bed. But this is what it looks like. It only has one shelving unit in this side of the closet. Now this side right here has our safe and our life safety gear. A bunch more drawers here. Let's open up one. And they're all kind of the same. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. Here's another really nice feature. This is the remote control here on the table. But if you look right behind the remote, you'll see 2 more USB ports. That means a total of 4 USB ports within the cabin. Now, there's also a small storage area beneath this dresser. Okay. There's ample storage beneath the bed for your luggage. Okay, now let's take a look into the bathroom. This right here is a mirror. So you can get dressed. Kind of a makeup area. As far as lighting is concerned, you see there's another hook right here. And as I go up further, you're going to see one light there. You're going to see another right there, along with a speaker system so it can wake you up in the morning and tell you announcements. And then you have your AC vent right here, along with a fire alarm, sprinkler system a little bit further down. Over on this side, you see another dresser drawer. And let me hit the light switch here so you can see that's about. And that's what a lamp looks like. Now this looks like it's fixed, and it is. So it's fixed to the dresser, so you can't remove that lamp from that area. Now there is a light switch right here. Let's turn it off. and it controls the overhead lights right there. I'm gonna hit it again so you can see it come on and off. Yeah, so that kind of controls it from. So this is the living area, and this is what it looks like. There's a phone right over here. Medical emergency tells you to dial 911. And I'm just gonna pan the camera around to kind of give you an overview of what the living area of the room looks like. I should say the bedroom area of the room looks like. All right, now let's go on over to the bathroom. The bathroom is to the back. Usually a lot of cruise ships, they have the bathroom to the front. So you see it has some light switches right here to control it. And then it has the thermostat right here on this side. They have a couple hangers for the towels and such right there. And then it has a locking mechanism. So if you go into the bathroom, now the bathroom, in my opinion, does carry through with that whole Venetian look to it. You know, it's all fake granite, but it looks very nice. The decor is pretty nice Venetian theme. If you've ever been to the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas, I'm going to link it to this video so you can kind of get an idea. It looks very much like that. As you can see, it's a shower, and it has a glass that separates the shower, which is pretty nice. Okay, this is right here a plug for your hair dryer, and then a little magnifying mirror there. Very nice. There's a bunch of towels. It has a bunch of supplies down there in the bottom. It has a napkin tray here and more supplies up top there. You come out so I can get a pan of the rest of this part of the room. You can see what it looks like here. That's a lot of light coming through that window. Big, nice opening. It's not quite a balcony, but it does let in good light into the space.
If you are even thinking about coming on board the Carnival Venezia, well, take a look at some of the best of what you can expect to see and do while you're on board.